stuff like that, $5. When you counter in the labor, at $30 an hour, this box took 6 hours to put together, which is ridiculous. I counted time of assembling the box joint jig and getting it all set up and dialed in. So now that it's set, I don't think it'll take near 6 hours. This box is probably a 2 or 3 hour job now if I were to do it again. So the total quote should have been $24 plus $5 miscellaneous expenses for materials, and then $90. So what are we looking at there? So we're looking at a total of $119 just for labor and materials. Multiply that times 1.4 to get our 40% markup, and we're looking at $166. Yeah, probably would have shot for 175. Probably would have taken anything around 150 or over that. But in all honesty, we only charged $100. Back when I thought this box was just going to be a bunch of butt joints, I just thought that would have been a great price, and it would have been, but because we used the box joints and everything else, it really slowed us down. I still think we could have gotten this under 2 hours if I wasn't doing the box joints, especially if I already had some walnut that was milled up. I didn't realize how dull my planer blades were after the big rolling sliding barn door that we had just done before this, so I could have saved time on milling. I could have saved time on the box joints if I already had the jig set up. So anyway, all those reasons aside, we lost money on this project, and that's okay. I learned from it. There's a lot of really good things that we learned. We optimized a few things with the box joint jig. We understood that, hey, we need to change our planer blades after we do a really big job with really hard plywood. We learned that. So even though we lost money, it's still a really good experience for us overall, and we would definitely take this job again, but we'd probably price it higher at like 150, 175, something like that. Yeah, that's pretty much the breakdown on this one. Let me know what you think.